Thanks to a leak on Viet 212, we now have some more info on the Rogue Trader kill team to hit the shelves late 2018. It looks like horrible photographs of a lore booklet, but most of it is readable, so here it is. The journeys of Rogue Trader Elucidian are long and fraught with dangers untold. Only the hardiest and most skilled would deign to follow such a trailblazer. Specialists in their own right, the Elucidian Farstriders are well prepared to meet and conquer any threat they might encounter. Her longest serving squad is that of Voidmaster Niche. A stickler for discipline, Niche has led his men to help the Rogue Trader out of many tight situations. Something Mechanicus, who can be found amongst them. The highest ranking of these is Larsen von der Graus. A devotee of the motive force, the Lectromeister lent his knowledge to the Elucidian Farstriders. A specialist of a far different field is Rejuvenate Adept Sanistasia Minst. Her blend of carefully administered chemicals keeps Elucidian in fine fighting form. Naso Brand, an executioner from one of the many death cults within the Imperium. The tools of her macabre craft make her one of the most lethal. That's it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will do our best to continue bringing you videos on Kill Team. And go watch our video on the League Mutants. This has been Mother Nurgle. Have a nice day.